Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to transfer your money to your own bank account. So basically guys, if you wanted to transfer your money to your bank account, which is why Wise already exists, is to make it easier for us to transfer between our, for example, the money that we have online into our bank account in real life. I will show you all of that in this video. So first of all, if you don't have an account in Wise already, this is how you can actually make it. So you go to wise.com, and from wise.com you go and click on register if you haven't got your account already. If you have already, click on login. So for example, register. Here you put your email address, and here you, for example, then you put your information like name, address, phone number, and password, and etc. and you will be done. After that, you can, for example, later on, if you want to log in with your Google or Facebook or Apple account, you can use that as well. So now let's go ahead and open that, and here is my account, for example. Now let's say, for example, you wanted to transfer to your bank account. What I suggest you to do first is, let's go back in here and let's check this out in here. So first of all, as you can see here, this is the different amount of money with and the cheapest companies that can give you the most money ever. So here Wise is the second, and this one is the cheapest. So let's say, for example, you wanted to exchange from a euro to dollar, so let's choose USD. So here is the price that you will receive. They give you a bunch of informations and how many money. So a euro is 9.47 for USDT. For USD, you will find a bunch of information here. So let's go, for example, send money, and let's choose here how much money do you want to send. Let's choose here USD, and here you'll find the informations. Here you can choose how much fees you want to pay, and so the higher you pay, the faster the transaction will be. And here you click continue. Here you choose whether a personal account or a business account, so personal account, and here you will fill your informations. Then you click continue, and then you will put your own credit card, that is your bank account, and then the Wise will transfer the money into your bank account within the Friday, for example, for me here, and it depends from country to country. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.